Assalamu alaikum friends, today I am going to show you how you can change the clock spring in Kia Cerato. This is 2013. So let me show you first why I am gonna change the clock spring. So let's in this car a problem, the horn does not work, the airbag light is always on, and this the steering button not working, all is not working. It's just a mute and mute button working and other all not working. Okay, so let me show you how you can replace the clock spring. This is a new clock spring. I got it from original Hyundai dealer. This is original from Hyundai. So let's start the work. And you can see there is one yellow lock. Please don't remove this. Okay, first of all fix it and then you remove this yellow lock. Okay, let's open there is some screw. You can see this is a star screw. Open this star screw. The one bolt is right there. Before you open anything, check the tire is straight and remove the battery terminal. Open this bolt. This is 22 mm. Before you open the steering, you must check the steering is straight and how to open this, you can see. So this is a new one. Fix it here. Just push it. Okay, so fix the connectors back side here. Remove this lock. Okay, Let's fix the battery terminal now. It is fine now, everything is working, all buttons is working now. And you can see the airbag light is off. And thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Let's meet in my next video. Allah Hafiz.